You watched them make it look easy. Clean pull-ups, perfect push-ups, like gravity doesn't apply to them. And you thought, I'll get there. Once I build some size first. That thought? That's the trap. And it's kept you stuck longer than you realize. Here's what actually happens. You walk up to the bar, jump, and your arms barely move. You try a dip and feel something wrong in your shoulder immediately. So you step back. You tell yourself you're not ready, that you need a gym first, weights first, muscle first. And just like that, you never start. But I want to tell you something nobody in fitness will say out loud. Your body weight isn't the problem. Your entry point is. Skinny guys have a real edge, less load to carry. But there's a hidden weakness nobody talks about. Your tendons, your ligaments, your stabilizer muscles. They've never been trained. You throw them into full pull-ups on day one and they will give out. Not because you're weak, because they were never prepared. So for the first 2 weeks, you do exactly 2 movements, nothing else. Movement 1, elevated push-ups. Find a counter, a desk, a sturdy shelf. Place your hands at roughly hip height and perform your push-up at that angle. This isn't easier, it's smarter. You're training your chest, shoulders, and triceps while completely protecting the joint from unsafe loading. Your target? 3 sets of 20 clean, controlled reps. No sagging hips, no flared elbows. Slow on the way down. Movement 2, horizontal rows. Get under a dining table. Grip the edge with both hands, body straight, heels on the floor. Pull your chest up to the surface. Lower slowly. Repeat. This single movement builds everything a pull-up demands. Your lats, your rear shoulders, your biceps, but at a fraction of the body weight load. It is the most underrated movement in beginner training. Your target? 3 sets of 15 reps. 2 weeks. Just these 2. When you hit those numbers cleanly, you've built something real. Now you're ready to progress. Training is only half the equation, and this is where most skinny guys quietly fail without knowing it. You eat. You feel full. You assume that means enough. It doesn't. Fullness is a feeling. Fuel is a fact, and they are not the same thing. Problem 1. Your meals have no structure. A big bowl of pasta, a foot-long sandwich. You feel stuffed for hours, but your body isn't building anything from that. Carbohydrates are energy, protein is material, and muscle is only built from material. If your meals are mostly carbs with a little protein on the side, your body has nothing to construct new tissue from, no matter how full you feel. Problem 2. You're still eating less than you think. Even if your meals include protein, the total volume likely isn't enough to create a surplus. One large meal at 700 calories means nothing when your body is burning through 2,200 just to function. In a deficit, your body doesn't build, it survives. And survival mode means no muscle, no matter how hard you train. You need to know your actual numbers, your maintenance calories, your protein target based on your body weight. Without that, you're guessing. And guessing is why most guys stay exactly the same year after year. Drop your current weight in the comments. But right now, start here. 2 movements, 2 weeks. Done with intention. That's your foundation. Build it right. Subscribe to the Orange Core and share this to your friend who needs it.